Hi guys, another video featuring the SQ11 camera that I've got here. I'm not sure whether it's switched on or off at the moment. It's switched on. Hang on. Hold my finger on there till the light disappears. Right, now it's off. Okay, so we got the SQ11 camera here with the supplied lead that has the USB on it and this video out lead, which I've never used. And I've just had a question, in fact I've had a couple of questions on one of my videos featuring this as to whether that actually works. Now I've never tried it, and I didn't realise that I'd actually got a TV that has a socket on it that it'll plug into, because the TV downstairs doesn't. But this is the old one which we moved upstairs, and being older it does have the right socket. So if I plug that in there and turn the TV on, I had to choose, well in fact if we go to there, normally I have it on digital TV, but come on, back again. For this purpose I have to have it on extension 3. I can't remember which television this is, it's a Philips. Anyway, it's on extension 3, so if I press that button to turn it on, look, there we are. It's actually picking up the video signal from that socket. So yeah, it appears to work. Quite why you would want it to work, I suppose they are cheap little cameras, so you could use it potentially for this purpose. But yeah, that works for me. So plugging it into the right socket and switching it on and switching it to video, when you, let's just switch it off, hold my finger on there for long enough, it'll eventually switch off. Right, so it's off. In fact, if we just turn this back, turn it on, and as I say, normally I'll have it down there on digital TV. Okay, so there's digital TV. In the neighbour's garden, David's sanding the worktop whilst Harry's busy jigsawing. Change that to extension 3, which is the right one for where I've plugged it into. Press it so the light comes on. And there we are. We are now videoing me. Yeah. No audio, but then we're only plugged into the video anyway. Now on some applications I seem to have been able to get audio via the USB, but that's not using that video plug anyway. I'm not sure, I'm not confident that I can get audio. Sometimes it seems to work, sometimes it doesn't. Whether it's been picking up audio from anywhere else, I don't know. But that wasn't the question in this case. In this case it was, can you use the video plug? And the answer is yes. There we go. Oh, somehow or other I've just switched it off. I don't know how I did that. Oh, it looks like I must have just unplugged it. It's back on again now. So yeah, there you go. it does work, or it works for me. I'm not guaranteeing it works for anybody else. The last question was about an SQ12 camera, which is virtually identical. This one's an SQ11. I also have an SQ8 somewhere. I think that one's in bits. But, yeah. So the video signal appears to work. Oh, I'm going to turn it off again while we're doing this. Hold my finger on there. And there we go. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.